Good morning, all my ELA students. I wanted to record a really short video for you guys this afternoon because I noticed a problem on my end when I started grading, and I wanted to make sure we fix this early so it wouldn't continue to be a problem. I don't want anybody's grades to be affected. So I wanted to show you a problem that I saw. Today, I assigned classwork to everyone in my ELA classes. And when I started getting into Google Classroom to start grading, I noticed something. I went into classwork, which is what I see on my screen, and then I get this box right here. It shows me the classwork that I assigned, and then it shows me how many of my students turned it in. Now, I'm picking on 7th hour right now because my 7th hour was actually really on task, even though it doesn't look like it. As you can see, it shows 0 people turned it in. And when I first read this, I'm going to be honest, maybe a little bit mad because I'm like, what happened? Why did no one do any of their work? But then when I actually clicked on it and I picked somebody's, I'm going to pick Mr. Nelson here because he did a fantastic job on his. So when I click on it and I go down and I look, I see, oh, he actually did all of his work. He just forgot to turn it in. And I wanted you guys to see this. If you do not click submit after you've finished your work, then it shows on my end that you haven't done it. And I'm not going to go through every student's work to see if they actually did it, just forgot to turn it in. So make sure that you click turn in, because this one time, because you didn't know and because we're still learning, this one time I'm going to go through and actually look and grade everybody's. But after this, if you haven't clicked turn in, you're just going to get a 0. So make sure next time, and especially tomorrow, make sure next time you turn it in.